Okay, so where I am getting this information is from the book and the instructions on page 518. So for the first part, Wilson Company estimates uncollectible accounts expenses has 0.3% of its total sales on account during the current year. Wilson had credit sales of $2,152,000. The balance in the uncollectible accounts before adjustment is $853 credit. Record the uncollectible accounts expense. So that's what we have to calculate. So in the book, I'm taking the $2,152,000 times 0.3% to get the adjustment. So I'm in my adjustments credit, and it is $6,456. Remember, these always have to have matching. That means my uncollectible accounts expense is then a debit of the same amount, $6,456. Okay, so that was the first part. Then journalize the adjusting entry on page 13 of the general journal. So here I'm going to put my date. It's the 31st. On account title, and we'll do our debit first from up above, so uncollectible, and you see as you start to type that, it'll pop up and you can select it. Then I'm going to go to my debit column, $6,456, and then my credit will be allowance from collectible accounts, credit of the same amount. Okay, then Part 3, post the adjusting entries to the general ledger. So this is what we did all the time last year, the annoying thing where you had to flip and look. So here we just have to go and pick what we want. So we will first go to accounts receivable. Actually, we don't need to. There's nothing there, okay, because we didn't journalize. We're just doing what we journalized. So then now I'm going to go to allowance for uncollectible accounts. So that's right here. So my date is the 31st. My post reference will be G13 because I'm in General Journal, page 13. So G13. And this is a credit. So I'm going to go over to the credit, $6,456. I will still have a credit balance, so I will add those since they are the same. So $7,309. Okay, and then we also, then we're going to want to go back up here and put that in our post reference. So allowance for uncollectible accounts, $1135. Remember, I got that number from here. Okay, then I'm going to change it. And our date's December 31st. This is our first entry. We have to actually type that in. So just DEC for December. The date is the 31st. Post reference is still G13. This time it's a debit, so $6,456. Debit balance, $6,456. And then our post reference is 6165. That's all for the work together. Then I think you can click go or something at the bottom. I think yours might be a little different than mine. And question 2 is just the on your own. So you'll complete that, and then also please do the 17-1 application problem.